is really not doing that great, so it really needs to be undercut like that. So we're leaving all the trees that are maybe bigger than someone's leg, and then cutting all that crap out and digging all the trash out all at the same time. And we'll burn it, and when you burn it, you put a bunch of nutrients back into the soils. And we'll dig and bury that and let it rot. And then you'll see this time next year, the place will just be booming with, you know, natural vegetation, native species, plants, and, you know, be real healthy again. I like being on the dozer, it's fun. Except last night, damn near got lost. It was super disorienting. You know, the dust coming up, it's like it's kind of like standing in a snowstorm. You know, you can't see more than just where your lights are reflecting, and then the hillside goes up right next to where you're at, so like you can't see out anywhere. It's just rocks all around you. You don't know which way is back up or which way is towards the river. So I end up just being like, you know, I should probably stop because I'm probably not cutting in the right direction, and I can't find the piles once I'm pushing them because everything stacks up in front of the blade. And I just got to the point where I went, you know, I'm probably doing more harm than good. You know, I'm twisting around trying to get my bearings, probably tearing up the ground more. I'm just gonna stop. And I walked back up to the top and just went home. So 8:30 is a lot later than I usually start at. Usually 6:37, usually 7:30. So I'm kind of running behind, but I also work till, man, was it 8 last night? It's past dark. So we'll see how much we can get done today. Well, I thought the GoPro was on most of the day, and turns out it was not. So this is going to be a pretty short vlog. Not to mention I scratched the lens pretty good. I don't know if you can see, it's about here. I had it in the dozer and it vibrated around a little bit and scratched the crap out of the lens. $100 lens, just scratched the hell just like that. I'm like, great. That's just what I needed. But these lenses twist on and twist off. This just happens to be what they call the max lens, and it's about $100 for it. So, damn. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to either replace it or I'll just end up having to buy a new one. I really like this lens. It's right the right millimeter. The zoom, which is millimeter, it's right at the right one. But I ran out of fuel, so I'm south of Dover, headed home, and the boss is going to end up having to bring fuel up to me, or I'm going to have to go get fuel just so I can keep working tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I was planning on working all day, but might not now. We'll have to get some fuel together. So I said the hell with it and called it quits for the day. Now Ashley's making dinner. Might go fishing. We'll have to see. Ben's not picking up his phone. I thought about going and moving a couple pieces of equipment in the RGN real quick, but I got to go by there and see if it's even outside or not. And then I got to move one of the pieces to Jacob's house, which is the larger Doosan excavator, and then the dozer to the farm, I believe. But I was trying to talk him into bringing the dozer up to this project so we can get that clearing done a lot faster. Wanted to keep working, but oh well. Go home, eat dinner, computer work, take a nice long hot shower, get some fuel for the dozer and the excavator in the morning, and go back to work tomorrow. So for now, this is going to be a short vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.